Welcome to Mills Aesthetics. Let's talk about hip dip filler amounts. Clients are often asking how much filler is needed to fill hip dips. We always give approximate amounts because there's no guarantee of how much filler is needed. The approximate answer is based on these three factors: the depth and width of the hip dip, the dress size of the client, and if the client has tight or loose skin. The hip dip. Some hip dips are slight, meaning the amount of filler needed to fill the dip will be less. Some hip dips can only be seen from the front of the person, or some dips can only be seen from the back or the side. The hip dip can be slight, medium or deep. The dress size of the client. This is another factor when assessing how much filler is needed. A client who is a UK size 8 may need less filler than a client who's a UK size 14, even if they both have medium hip dips. The size of the dip relates to the body size of the client. If a client is a UK dress size 8 with deep hip dips, and say a UK size 16 with slight hip dips, then they both may need the same amount of filler to fill those dips. Skin type. Loose skin. We've treated numerous clients with loose skin in all dress sizes. When the skin is looser, it will take more filler to accommodate and fill out the loose skin. Usually the loose skin occurs when the client has experienced weight loss. Tight skin. We've also had many clients with tight skin in all dress sizes. When the skin is tight, we're sometimes unable to inject the amount needed to fill out the hip dip. In situations like this, we'll inject just the right amount in order for the filler to settle into the skin, and then wait approximately 2 weeks to assess. Once the skin is stretched to accommodate for the filler, we'll re-inject new filler to fill out more of the dip.